Hi, greetings, greetings. Hi, thank you. This is Atahu. I'm really glad you're enjoying the blog post. Thank you for that. As you know, if you've been reading the blog, you'll recognise that breath work has really played an important part in my healing journey. And in fact, when I think about it, it was learning how to breathe, learning how to connect with my breath anywhere, anytime during the day, that has really helped me to get through some of the really sort of hard times, challenging times of my life. And even when things are like feeling abundant and expansive, it's like, yes, there's a breath. It gives me more expansion, more abundance. So it's like, it's there. So what I'd like to do, I'd love to share with you a really simple breathing exercise you can do anywhere, anytime. That's the beauty of breath work. You don't need to go to the gym. You don't need to lose weight and be fit, be healthy. You just need to start with where you are and just breathe. And we breathe all the time. So the more consciously you breathe, the easier it becomes for you to stay connected to source, to know when you're veered off and to bring yourself back to center. Okay. So the breathing exercise I'd like to share with you, it's very simple yoga breathing exercise whereby you just breathe in softly through your nose for a count of 3. Keep it nice and simple for a count of 3, and you breathe out through both nostrils for a count of 3. So to start the practice, I invite you to find somewhere comfortable, maybe lying down in your bed. And if you're on your bed, make sure you've got your back supported and you've got your feet flat on your bed, the knees up. It's particularly if you've got bad backache, yeah? If not, it's okay to lie flat, yeah? And if you're in a chair, make sure you're sitting comfortably. Have your feet flat on the floor, your toes pointing forwards. Or if you want to, you can always sit sort of like cross-legged or, whatever feels comfortable for you. I'm just kind of like this. It's important, if you can, to make sure your spine is nice and long. So you've got the head, neck and shoulders in a nice line, yeah? Ears in line with the shoulders, or just slightly behind. So it's not out here, it's not here. Just a nice, long, erect spine. Okay. And just take a deep breath in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Let me hear you breathe out. So breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. One more time, breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Well done. And just notice how you feel. Sometimes just doing that simple practice, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, 3 to 5 of those, that's all you need sometimes, just to reset your mind and your body. So now that we've practiced just breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, I invite you to stay with that vibe. So reconnect that vibe, so I find that vibe. And together we're going to breathe softly in through our nose for a count of 3 and breathe out again for a count of 3. And if you can, try to breathe from your belly. You really try to get that breath flowing from deep within. Okay? So we're going to breathe in for 3 through the nose. So breathe in on 1, on 2, on 3. Breathe out through the nose if you can on 1, on 2, on 3. Breathe in through the nose, breathe in on 1, on 2, on 3. Breathe out on 1, on 2, on 3. Let's do 3 more rounds. Breathe in on 1, on 2, on 3. Breathe out on 1, on 2, on 3. Inhale on 1, on 2, on 3. Breathe out on 1, on 2, on 3. Let's just do one more round together. Deep breath in on 1, on 2, on 3. Breathe out on 1, on 2, on 3. Well done. And just if you wish to continue the practice, feel free to do so. If not, I invite you just to bring your attention back to the space, to the room. Take that deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Well done. And re-engage, reconnect with your day. Well done. Thank you. So, that's just one example of a breathing exercise you can do anywhere, anytime. And it's one of the ones that I learned, first of all, way back time, just to help me ease that pain, that chest pain I had from losing my brother. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thanks for reading the blog, and thank you for supporting Peter's blog. Wonderful blog, wonderful space. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you online, anywhere, somewhere online. Take care, thank you, cheers, and namaste. Pause. Thank you.